Hey guys, welcome to another technical analysis video. Um, it's actually been 2 months since I last recorded my Bitcoin technical analysis update. Um, and when I did so, I promised to do daily TA vids. And unfortunately, I was not able to keep that promise because I was just incredibly busy. Couldn't find the time to work on a YouTube channel. So recently I have, and I really want to show my TA to YouTube, put my TA on YouTube, um, mainly for me because when I do TA on video, I basically discipline myself, I guess, kind of, um, and I see patterns that um, I don't see when I don't look with fresh eyes, if it makes sense. So that's what I'm planning to do. I'm planning to do TA updates um, every single day. I'm gonna try to, other than the weekends, um, on crypto stocks. So we'll see how it goes. By the way, my name is Crypto Effie. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be doing multiple series. I want to start off with TA, and then we can do crypto education series, and so on and so on. Quick little disclaimer here. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing I say in any of my videos should be taken as financial advice. It is just for entertainment purposes only. I am just sharing my own views and my opinions on what I see. So you may completely disagree, and I do not encourage you to follow anything that I do. So let's start off with Bitcoin TA. So guys, as you know, there has been some geopolitical issues that has caused this massive dip. This massive dip, um, it was from here really to about here. So it was a 15% dip. Um, See, I've got all the support and resistance lines and my triangles already because I did this TA before, on my own, and I couldn't be bothered to do it again. So I'm just going to show it to you guys over here. So over here, if we go to the weekly chart, we can see that we just have a kind of parallel channel heading upwards. This is a channel, so that's one. This is two, which you can see over here. The problem with this channel is we have touched the bottom part, so the resistance line. Where is my brush? My brush is here. So touch it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll count that as one whole one. So uh, about 4 to 5 times. So we've touched this channel a lot of times, which is concerning because if you know, every time you touch either a resistance or support level, it weakens and you're more likely to break it. Now, if we do end up breaking this support line, then it's going to be catastrophic because how far can you fall? I mean, there's huge resistance over here at around $29,000. That is like the low. But if you go back to like prior swing lows, I mean, what could happen? Can we go back to potentially $20,000? Like, is that a possibility? So these are very critical situations for Bitcoin right now. I mean, honestly, I don't know what's exactly going to happen. It is concerning. I mean, it was obvious that this was the top. Most people over here were like Bitcoin's going to go to 70K, 73K, and whatever, and it made sense. But if you know how to do thorough TA, then you were able to tell that this was the top. And then this was, big drop and etc. So we do have prior support over here. This is the swing low at $33,400, I believe. I think it's $33,000 exactly over here. This was the prior swing low. And with Bitcoin right now, we just keep on making lower highs. So lower high, lower high. And once you start making lower highs, then it's a bearish indication that you're in a bearish trend, which is not great. If you watched my previous video, actually, it's very interesting. I actually made a video 2 months ago where I was talking about this head and shoulders pattern, and this was 2 months ago, and I believe Bitcoin was at, I think, around 45 or a bit above $45,000. And I said that we were going to have a huge drop if we were to follow this head and shoulders pattern, and I did make a very nice, beautiful short, which I personally should have taken profit later on. But another point to go short was, I believe, this doji right here, this shooting star right here. Sorry, not doji. This shooting star right here. Beautiful reversal trend candle. Beautiful reversal trend. Look at here. Exhaustion of buyers. Boom. I missed this one. I don't know how. I was really busy and I didn't see this. Hypothetically, if we went into the close of this candle, which I really would have, because it's just a perfect reversal candle, I would have put my stop loss. I don't know if I would have put it at the top of this candle, to be honest. I would probably put it a bit lower, at 45,466.8, and I would have, there's a lot of different take profit zones. If I just turn on Bollinger Bands here, maybe not. EMA ribbons. No, we're on the weekly. Oh, that's why. So if we hop into the daily chart, I'm gonna see something. Oh yes, okay. So we had this beautiful ascending triangle, and ascending triangles, which is this right here. Let me get rid of these things. The ascending triangle is this thing. So this yellow triangle over here. We had a beautiful ascending triangle form. We also had a double top right here, which was like perfect to go into a short trade. So again, if you went into a short here, you could have panicked over here. So I personally would have went in after this double top. So I would have went in like here after we broke through here. This would have been like a partial entry, and my second entry would probably been after we broke the triangle. Again, this would be my stop loss, and my take profit. I can't believe I didn't get into this trade as well. Would be honestly $29,000. Doesn't seem too bad, but I would have put my take profit. I would have probably put a trailing take profit, but honestly, I might have put in it at $33,000. This ascending wedge, I believe, gives a target below $29,000, which I would not have done. But I think prior swing low would have been a good target. Hold on, let me just check Fibonacci, because I did this before, but I don't remember what it was. Let's do a quick Fibonacci, 0.6. For my first take profit would have been at the golden pocket of Fibonacci. This probably would have been my first take profit, and my second take profit, I would just analyze, observe the market, monitor the market. So yeah, it would have been a nice little trade. This is why I really want to do daily TA updates on YouTube, because by doing so, that's just my chair, sorry. It's a terrible, uncomfortable chair. Through YouTube, I can document my TA and put myself into a discipline where, I have to go on every day, check for trading opportunities, and then open a trade. So that's the mindset I really want to go in, because I see all these I'm not sure if my mic cut there. I think it did. But anyways, I see all these trade opportunities, and I don't go into them because I just can't be bothered to look at the charts or whatever. So by this way, I guess I will create some more discipline. So that's my aim. So yeah, this let me just quickly see 1 second. Short. If I went in here, let's say the average was about here, in between them. Stop loss, like this is, I mean, this is a big stop loss. Depending on the liquidation, like it's not the best trade. But after I see the breakdown through here, I would be confident that this would not happen. So I would immediately lower my stop loss to a break even. But that's just another topic. So, forget about the stop loss right now because I would have probably lowered it down to about break even after we've, crashed down through from this ascending triangle. And if I put, at the very bottom, which is again not where I would have put it, where I would have put my take profit. But let's see, my first take profit would be here. Definitely, I wouldn't have. Probably I would have pulled about 25% of the position right here. If we said 20x leverage, that's around 2.6x. So 2.6x would be the amount that you have made if I would have made if I had taken this position, which is unfortunate that I didn't. But again, that kind of frustrated me, so I really wanted to push on YouTube so it could get me to discipline, etc. So let's have a quick look at Bollinger Bands. Wow, we are very, very much below Bollinger Bands, so that is an indication that we may reverse right now. But personally, I do believe we are gonna have to come back and touch this line of support at $33,000. By the way, in my last video, if you go and watch my last video, I have predicted that I did predict correctly that we were going to come back down to this level. I think I said $29,000 or something. I don't remember, but go check it out. I don't want to brag or anything, but I kind of called it. So, but again, I didn't take action, so it's kind of useless. Anyways, let's have a look at the AMA ribbons. We are below them. Like this isn't that great. Honestly, it's not that great. It's a bit concerning. We need to at least come back to the AMA ribbons. I mean, it's not that great. Let's have a look at volume profile. There is not much volume at this area. I mean, we have a lot of volume at the 42,500 zone, especially at this level. So almost at the $42,000 zone. So that is where all the volume is, and there isn't much buying volume over here. So that's again a bit concerning in my opinion. The thing is with Bitcoin and the crypto markets right now is we are in a pretty weird correlation with the institutional markets. So the S&P and the Dow Jones and whatever. So, I mean, because of geopolitical reasons, the S&P has been falling. Therefore, Bitcoin has been falling. Now, the thing that annoys me is Bitcoin is being traded as, like the institutional markets, it's being traded as a tech stock. Now, I don't have a problem with that because Bitcoin is technology. I mean, you are buying technology, I guess. But it should really be traded, in my opinion, as gold. It should be valued as gold. And if we go and look at gold, actually I was going to do ETH next, but it's a nice little correlation. And because of geopolitical reasons again, gold is like flying, it's literally flying. So, it should be, because again, if you don't know what Bitcoin's about, again, that should be something for the education series. But it should be treated as gold, but right now it's not. So that is unfortunate. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. Unfortunately, all these other coins, they all follow Bitcoin, which is unfortunate. They're not like, sectors and stocks, so they all follow the crypto market, which is annoying. But yeah, Ethereum is down pretty hard. The swing high of $3,300. We're down again. We saw this double top formation as well. The charts are pretty similar with Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I don't think we need to rechart that. So let's have a quick look at the total crypto market cap. Not good, not good. Hold on, let me get rid of this because I think this is a bit false. This is from a long time ago. Let's go into the weekly. Let's see if we can chart something. So, support. Look, I want to find the most conservative option possible. If we do this, and perhaps, no, it doesn't work. Yeah, I guess we can do this. I'm gonna go to monthly to do this. I think it's better. It's a better way of doing it. We basically have the same chart as Bitcoin. I mean, there's some people like to see this as a triangle. They extend this line, they extend this line, and they see it as a triangle. But personally, I don't know, I see it more as a channel that's forming. But yeah, I mean, if we look at just the daily charts on the market cap, total crypto market cap, again, we're not looking that great. The only thing that gives me some hope is that we have perhaps a double bottom forming. That could be a possibility, and if that double bottom does form, then that could potentially be a bullish signal. But yeah, because of, I don't know what's going to happen geopolitically, that's what's really manipulating the market right now. So I don't know where we are going. Again, with Bitcoin, there are important support levels that we checked. So $33,000 is definitely a very, very important support level that we should not cross, because if we do, then it might be a total catastrophe for Bitcoin. That is a possibility, in my opinion. So let's have a look at the S&P. Just for context, I know this is a Bitcoin TA video, but look at the S&P. Look at this gap down. Like, this is crazy. Again, due to geopolitical issues. From the high of $4,800, we're down to $4,200. I mean, it's insane. Look at that gap in the market. Could this be the top of the S&P? I don't know. Oops, sorry. It's not looking great, guys. In my opinion, it's not looking great. If we have a look at DXY, this is another reason why Bitcoin is falling. It's because the US dollar is growing stronger, so it's increasing its value. So it's another reason why this is DXY index, the US dollar currency index. This is another reason why Bitcoin is increasing its price. What do we have? I don't want this video to be too long. This is the first video back, and it's a bit late where I am. I'm kind of tired, so let's have a look at oil. So I am insanely bullish on oil, like genuinely insanely bullish. I was bullish like around. I became bullish once we passed this swing high, because again, oil is valuable as it's considered a safe haven when there's geopolitical struggles. So we just hit $100 today, which is crazy, because the last time we were at $100 was in 2014. So that is crazy. Obviously, gold is shooting up, because, I mean, really, Bitcoin should be valued as gold, in my opinion, but that's not what's happening. And on a final note, let's just have a look at the Moscow Moscow index. So I believe this is the Russian S&P 500 type of thing, but it's the top 50 stocks. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is the Russian index or whatever. I'm not sure. Um, so yeah, MOEX. It's down. It's crazy. This is the weekly chart. Let's have a look into the daily chart. By the way, if my mic is not that great, I will be buying a new mic. So, I mean, this is the whole situation when it started, I guess. We were at highs of $192.63, um, in September, and look where we are. Look at this. Look at this. We went down to $73.77. It's crazy. Earnings. What do you mean earnings? It's an index. I think this is the, I don't know. I don't know how the Russian stock market functions, but I mean it's down. So it's looking pretty bad. Um, yeah. So I think I went through everything that I wanted to go through. Um, I think it was I'm not sure how long this video is, to be honest. I didn't check, but yeah, we went through um, everything that I wanted to go through in the short term. This is just a Bitcoin price update. Again, I'm planning to do one of these every day in the weekdays at around the same time. I'm doing it a bit late today, so it will usually be about, it should be about 2 3 hours ago. But I just wanted to set out everything and give it a go. Uh, didn't do much preparation. Just wanted to get content out there because I'm a small channel, and you know I hope things will develop slowly, 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 and we will achieve big things with the channel. Hopefully, that is my dream. Um, what else? I will be doing collaborations with hopefully other YouTubers, crypto and technical analysis YouTubers very soon. So stay tuned for that. This is just the Bitcoin and the overall market update, daily update. I will be doing other interesting videos, NFTs, whatever. I'll try to make as much videos as possible in the time I have. Um, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Um, I'm just gonna look for trade opportunities actually one last time because that's really my mission every day. I want to see if there's a trade opportunity. We still have 5 hours, so hold on. When will this candle close? It will be 11 o'clock. It'll be 11 o'clock when it happens 5. So at 4 a.m. in my local time, it should be opening. Right now, I don't like to trade when we don't have a candle close. Again, I'm type of a swing trader, so I trade on the daily candles. I don't really, I look in the 4 hourly and stuff. Um, this looks like a bit of a dead cat bounce, really, to me. Um, this candle looks amazing. If we close like this, then this could perhaps be the bottom, because what this long wick shows is that there's an exhaustion of sellers, and into the final hours we had momentum. Um, we had momentum. But again, we have still 5 hours for this candle to close, so it's very early to make judgments. But based on the 4 hourly, to me it looks like a dead cat bounce. But I don't know. I need to monitor right now. I can't say anything. Bitcoin is in a difficult situation. Um, so yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found value in it. I certainly enjoyed making it, and hope to bring more daily updates to you guys. Again, this was the first one in a while, so if there was low energy, not great preparation, please excuse me. I'll make sure to upgrade my the production, whatever, as much as I can as we go along. So yeah, guys, thank you. Follow me on Twitter at BTCFE. I really do need to catch up on there as well. So yeah, guys, hope to see you on the next video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.